Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. In this video, I'm going to talk about Spring Data Jparepository, especially delete method. I'm going to show you the demo. Why do we need Spring Data? What is the benefit of Spring Data in our application? Before Spring Data, we were writing a lot of boilerplate code in order to talk to the database and get the information and using it in your Java application. So what is boilerplate code? Before using Spring, we were writing so much lines of code to talk to the database, get the connection, create the statement, execute the query, iterate the result set. So these are the things we were doing before the Spring. But now one of the main intention of Spring Data is to reduce this boilerplate code. Okay, so I have written a very simple repository, hotel repository. I want to persist the hotel object, retrieve it, delete it. So I want to deal with this hotel entity. I have a single repository called hotel repository. I am extending from the Jparepository, which is from the Spring framework. So that's all I am doing. I am not writing any code for create, retrieve, update, delete, because behind the scenes Spring is going to generate the code for all these methods. I'll tell you how we can use this hotel repository. In my service IMPL layer, I'm going to auto wire this repository. Okay, this is just an interface I've created, which is extended from Jparepository. The implementation will be given by the Spring framework, and Spring framework is going to generate a lot of code for these methods. Can you see these methods? These are the methods, default methods, I would say. So Spring is going to create IMPL methods, IMPL code for all these methods. I'm going to explain you delete. Before that, I just want to show you Java config file. You have to add this annotation, enable Jparepository in your Java config file in order Jparepository works properly in your Java application. And one more point is, currently we don't have anything in the table. If you see here, this is the hotel table and there are no rows at all. So in my demo application, I'm going to create a hotel. Then finally I want to show you this delete method. How do I delete a row or hotel from my table using Jparepository? I'm going to start this in debug mode. Let me show you how exactly it works. So the main intention is to avoid the boilerplate code. I don't have to write, as a Java developer, I don't have to write code for all this delete, save, update for an entity. So I have to just extend from the Jparepository interface, then the default methods are available automatically and it is generated by the Spring framework. So I'm going to create a hotel now. Okay, let me show you the hotel that is created now. So one hotel row has been created by the Spring framework Jparepository. Now I'm going to delete the same, because that's what the demo is for. If you see here, Jparepository, it's a proxy object injected by the Spring framework. They have generated the code for delete method. Then when I call this Jparepository delete method, hotel row will be deleted. If you see here, just now I showed you a row, but now it is deleted by this code. So it's very simple and easy to use the repository, Spring Data Jparepository. Hope this video is useful and informative. Thank you and all the best.